Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Do I ever got a video for you? Marc Jacobs just released a new iconic palette in cool tones. I am very excited to go ahead and show you guys how it all worked for me. I am currently wearing the eyeshadow right now. It comes in a gorgeous kind of silver packaging, just like so. I'm sure you've kind of all seen it over social media, which reminds me, if you are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, then definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. As well, my Instagram page is at @ashhasna, so go ahead and follow that for more kind of makeup. It's more outfit looks than anything. But for today's video anyhows, I am going to go ahead and try on this gorgeous palette here and walk you through kind of how I did this look today. I also will insert a couple of swatches. I went ahead and swatched the whole palette for you so you can all see that. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Now I'm going to keep it pretty simple for the eyes today just because we have some running around to do. I might do another video later on a more kind of editorial look there. The first shade that I'm going to dip into is this transition shade called the Concrete. I love the names of these shadows. Tells a little bit of a story. And just kind of lightly dust that all across the crease area. That is very pigmented. I was not expecting it to be that dark. So this might not turn into such a nice, easy, everyday look. So definitely blow your brush off before using it, otherwise you're going to end up with a lot of product. But that is a gorgeous color. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well, and then I'm just going to go back and forth and do a lot of kind of blending between the two. Oh, see that one? I must not have gotten as much product on. There we go. Now it's an odd color in that it looks brown in the pan, but once you put it on, it almost has a purpley hue to it, which I'm not hating. In case you're wondering why one eye comes out a little bit patchy, it's because my eyelids are dry. It has nothing to do with the shadow, so don't kind of think that the shadows are misperforming in any way. Just kind of focus more on this eye. This eye is a little bit better. Now to darken up those corners, I'm going to go in with that next purple shade, which is called Jungle, and taking a more precise blending brush there. Just first dabbing it into that inner corner. and then I will drag it across. When doing my eyeshadow, I always want to kind of almost make a wing first, because I'm going to go in with a liner afterwards. But I always want to make that initial shape with the shadow, just to kind of elongate the eye area. Wow, these shadows blend beautifully together. I did not expect any less coming from Marc Jacobs, but I am quite impressed right now. It's even covering up the areas that I get like almost little bald spots, just because of how dry my eyelids are. So that is quite impressive, and that makes me very happy. Taking that same fluffy blending brush, I'm actually just going to blend that in around the edges a little bit more, just to make sure that everything looks nice and soft. To finish off the eyelids, I'm gonna go in with Sidewalks here, which is a gorgeous kind of marie silver shade, and just popping that onto the lids. And a little bit into the inner corner. Same thing on this side here. Now that is a beautiful silver. Taking a more condensed flat-ended brush, I'm gonna go in with that first transition shade and just kind of almost underneath my crease there. Very lightly, just to add a little bit of dimension, almost kind of contouring for the eyes. And then taking a nice fluffy brush, just going in and fluffing out any harsh areas. Taking my wet beauty sponge, I am just gonna go along and kind of clean up any sort of fallout, just to make sure that I have nice clean lines. To further brighten the eyes, I'm going to go in with Marc Jacobs. This is the Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon in Big Eyes. So it's just a beautiful white skinny eyeliner here. And I'm just going to go ahead and place this right into my waterline. That extra added bit of color in the lower waterline really opens up the eyes. Now going in for liner, I'm not going to go in straight with the liner. I'm actually going to use one of the eyeshadows as an eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this Become shade here. is a gorgeous kind of cool toned brown, and I just stamped that onto my lower lash line first, just to get the color applied. There, and just some nice kind of subtle definition. And the finishing touches just highlight that brow area a tiny bit, nothing crazy. I'm trying to grow up my eyebrow, so I apologize for the little brow hairs that you might see. Here is a close-up look of the eyeshadow. Everything went on gorgeous. Everything kind of blended out super easy. Again, don't pay too much attention to this eye because, like I said, I do have some dry patches going on there. But this eye, I think, turned out gorgeous. Let me know kind of what you guys think in the comments down below. Now for mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Caution Mascara, if I can find it here. There we go. So just the gorgeous kind of gold packaging there. I've already curled my eyelashes before we got started with this look. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some more gloss to the lip. For gloss today, I am using the Marc Jacobs. This is a lip gloss stick in shade Sugar Sugar. I thought it was very appropriate for this look. All right, and there you have it. So this is today's final look using the new Marc Jacobs Eye-Conic palette in shade Stiletto. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Definitely if you've tried it, whether or not you're thinking about trying it. I am gonna go ahead and film probably a second video because I wanna do another look using that gorgeous darker silver shade here. I'll kind of show you. It's almost got like chunks of glitter in it, so I'm really interested to see how that's going to apply. So I'll do kind of like more of an editorial look using that. But for today, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching with me and kind of sticking around. I will see you all again soon.